Hello and welcome to a new episode of Airport CEO, and you might already notice it, we should have some game sound. I have bought some software so we can get game sound now. I'm really excited about that, but that's not all that is new to the game. We have finally the big update that we've all been waiting for. It is called the multi-floor plan, and it has a lot of really cool features. It also has the potential to actually break our game, so hopefully that won't happen. But, well, as you probably know, most airports in the world have multi-story buildings, and that's something we haven't been able to do in the game so far. Now we can, and I'm really looking forward to that. So we should get cracking. No, that's not what I want to say. Not a new airport. We want to continue with our airport, and here it is. Let's get cracking. So, as you know, we have a lot of things to do, and we only have about half an hour to play around with today. Let's see, we're starting with a warning. This airport was saved using game version Alpha 30. The following changes as of Alpha 31 may break your save. Road sidewalks are no longer walkable by passengers or employees. A bit strange, I don't know why that would be, but okay. Conveyor belts need conveyor belt escalators to pass baggage between floors, and you must build these yourself. So that's one of the things that the game isn't really updating from the old version of the game to the new version. So these things we have to fix manually ourselves. Alright, what else? To prevent problems running, this airport baggage handling has been automatically disabled. So that's at least a good thing, but we should try to get it running as fast as possible. So we will start off the episode simply trying to fix things and get our airport going again as fast as possible. And then we will take it from there. Right, so let's see what we can do here. Let's see. So the graphics are playing around a little bit. That looks a bit strange. Let's see if that goes away if we zoom in. Nope. I mean, it did warn us. Oh my god. I hope this is not permanent. Let's see. This looks weird. And here there's definitely something broken. We can already see that. I think we should pause the game for the first thing. So actually the first thing is I think they've also upgraded the graphics a bit, changed the coloring slightly. Oh, this is horrible. Why is this going like that? I don't really like that. Well, okay. Let's see. So we have here, down here, shift floor upwards or shift floors downwards. So you can go 2 floors down. That's cool. And how many floors can we go up? So ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. See, that is really, really cool. I must say I do rather like that. That has, yeah, I mean, this is a game changer. Absolutely a game changer. Of course, our whole conveyor belt system must be completely broken now. And it is kind of bugging out a lot. Let's see. So, no, this was all overground, so our connection was changed here. How can we see that? Let's check it out. Okay, so we can actually see our underground conveyor belts, and they are just going into nothing because, of course, we need to change that ourselves. So let's see how we can do that. There must be a new feature in here. Yeah, the graphics definitely look much brighter now. I really hope this flickering is going away. I mean, it is an alpha game, so we know that, and it's a major upgrade, so there are bound to be some issues. I'm sure they will fix them all over time, and hopefully it won't break our game until then. So let's see, here we used to have a connection piece that would go from ground floor to lower floors. So now let's see, what is this? Still a tilt tray. Aha, okay. Escalator up, escalator down. Interesting. Okay. So I would think we need an escalator down here, and that is Let's see. I guess illegal position. Legal position. No, illegal. Why is this illegal? Oh wait, is this because there's something underneath here? Aha, okay. So I think what we need to do first... It's not easy when it's flickering like that. And you barely can see what is happening. They've also changed the coloring of these. They used to be green, now they're purple. Why are they that? Okay. A lot of things we need to work out here. I think the first thing we need to do is... it's a bit... Why is this here? Is there something here, or is this just flickering? Because this seems to be fine. What is this? Where are we here? Nowhere. What? Why is the... Okay. Very good. So 5 minutes of the game and we still haven't done anything. But what is this? Can we remove this? There we go. Demolish tool, yes. Is there still something underground here? Demolish. I don't know what that is. That's a bit strange. Ah, this has also now changed coloring. Interesting. Very interesting. So I would imagine that I remove this one. Like this. Does it do it? I really hope we haven't broken our game. That would be quite unfortunate. Let's see. Okay, of course, we should maybe also play again so that we can have anyone actually work. Do we still have constructors, or have we? Did we release them the last time? I don't remember. Let me see if I have any constructors. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. There's actually another major update to the game. It's not so much from the game developers themselves, but I have added some mods to the game, which, and let me just show you, has added... oh, they've changed things here as well. You see that? We now... let me go to contracts. We now have real companies. At least... we should have. No, we don't. That's really weird. Hasn't it worked? I might have... I might have announced something that hasn't worked. We are supposed to have real companies now because I've added them to the game. But they don't seem to be here. Although this seems to be updated as well, because I don't think we've had these... This is still the same, because we should also have real life airlines now. Which we don't. Very good. So there's a lot of things we need to work out here. I have added some mods, but they might have deactivated with the update? Question mark? Well, you know, I will check that out at the very latest for the next episode, and then we should have airlines. But we have... I don't know if we have anyone. Let's just deploy them. Let's get them all here. And then they should start by removing this stuff here. And hopefully we can then start fixing our baggage belts. Does that mean that at the moment we don't offer any... yeah, baggage handling system has been enabled, so we don't offer baggage handling at the moment. Okay. Also another thing that I actually found out. So I've been putting these service car stops right next to my stands, and I think that is wrong, because I saw a tutorial video where they actually placed those right next to the terminal, and that made more sense, to be honest. I think that has maybe also been one of the reasons why I have had a few issues with the remote stands. So that might be a pain in the ass to change, because it's really difficult to change things in the game when you make mistakes. But I think that might be a necessary thing we need to handle at some point. But let's see, firstly, have they removed this stuff now? Things are not going as I had hoped for at the moment. Let's see. Demolish tool. Did it just demolish it instantly? Shortcut page change. And that would be... Okay, well, I'll have to read up on that. Anyway, oh, this is really... So now it's gone. This is a bit tricky. And I think we should remove the one underground, this one. Apparently it removes now things immediately, or not. Or do they still... Guys, I'm really confused about this. I know this will be amazing once we get it going, but right now, honestly speaking, I'm not so sure about it. Isn't it supposed to... Where are all my workers? Are they just hanging out and doing nothing? Where are they? Because you still need to fix the rest of the solar system. Why do I have... This is all for materials. And there my workers are. Oh! Oh, they have never been... So the sidewalks don't work, but they have never been... No, see, they don't care. They don't need the sidewalks. Why would the sidewalks not work anymore? I don't get that. That is a weird thing in the update. But they're just stuck here, or what? So... Maybe I need to put something up here. Let me try this first. Let's see, where do we have the... Is it here, I think? So, constructor site. Let's see, rotate. No, did I get the right one? Yeah, this is for delivery site and this is for the constructor site. Okay, so let's put it here. And then let's remove this one, which we... Aha, what happens now? Oh my god, this game. I mean, they have updated the graphics and they have also slightly broken them a bit, because there's a lot of small glitches here and there. Now they're all walking through here. Interesting. Why did they do that? Is it not... Interesting. So they're walking up here, and I would have... But then they're just going in here and do nothing. Let's speed this up and see what they're doing. Yep, they're just going in here, and that's all. Okay. So can we... Let's see. Maybe have removed it, and we can now do this. Let's see. We need the escalator down, used to transfer baggage between different floors. Yeah, sure, of course. Well, I would assume that it is going down. That must be it. And let's see, we need to rotate it so it's glitching a bit, but okay, now we can do it. Illegal. And here it is. Okay, so let's see. Put it there. And then if we go down, we have it here, but we're still missing. Okay, so we need to build another piece. I guess we removed it. Underground. Aha, we also have high speed. Interesting. High speed escalator down, high speed escalator up. High speed conveyor belt. But where is the... Ah, okay. Okay, so we actually don't have... I get it now. So we don't actually... So before, in the last version of the game, we had the conveyor belts and we had the underground conveyor belts. They have removed that now. Now we just have conveyor belts or high-speed conveyor belts. That's all. And then you just need to be on the right floor, on the right level, which we changed down here, to fix... wait, why do we still have this? Didn't I remove this? Alright. So, conveyor belt, and we say we switch it around to this direction, and like this. So we should now, if this is being constructed, which I can't see, and none of my workers seem bothered to go over here. No, they have all removed... Okay, so they've all moved out here now. Where have they gone? Where are they? Where are all my constructors? Now they're all here. And doing nothing. And this is... No, they can walk here. So this still works, even though that's... walkways. Interesting. I'd almost be tempted to remove all of this completely and just rebuild it. And actually, if we did that, if I think about it, if we did that, we could actually say that all of this would be the arrival hall, which would make sense, no? And we simply build a second floor on top of that, which would be departure. Oh, see, now we're talking. Then we would also have to remove all of this and put it up on the first floor, and then just have escalators going down, so we don't need to change all of this. Oh, guys. I think we could have a much bigger upgrade to this airport at our hands than I had thought. But I think, given that we have switched, given that the game has been kind enough to switch all of this off, we could do that. I mean, okay, it would ruin our finances, so, which was always a major thing. But on the other hand, this could be worth it. And they're just going in here and chilling. They're not really bothered to do anything, are they? Or maybe they did something. They did build it. I think, guys... I think I've just convinced myself that the that I will build much more than I had thought I would do. Okay, so I'm sorry, this is a bit of a confusing episode, I understand that, and that might not happen so much, but it's because of this major update, and we need to figure out how this all works. So what I think I will do now is, firstly, I will dismiss all my workers, because I don't want them to do anything right now. Also, for the next time, I will see why the plugins, not plugins, why the modding didn't work, because it was supposed to. And I don't think it has. But I will check it out. I will see if it's still active. Maybe it deactivated because of the update of the game. That could actually be... Maybe it doesn't work with the new version of the game. Which would be a shame, because I was really excited to show you guys the game with aircraft in real life airline liveries. That would have been really cool, but I'm sure that will come at some point. Money wise, I think we're still okay, in the sense that we are mostly making money. I guess, yeah, we don't get too many complaints at the moment, so that's okay. They are just fully broken, aren't they? What is this? What is this? Wait a minute, are they just standing in line for the bus? Really? So they're not... Let's see. I'm sorry, we have to check that out. What's happening now? The bus clearly arrived to pick them up. Oh yeah! They've fully just been standing in line. So that's new behavior, because we haven't seen that before. That's 100% new behavior. They didn't used to do that. They would just crowd up here in a big bulk. They wouldn't do this. Interesting. Interesting. I don't like this glitching, so I think we'll remove all this, and then hopefully we can get rid of this. Although the... but okay, we will remove those as well. Eventually. Okay, so let's see. What we need to do is basically we need to add a floor here on top of that. And I would assume... So we go up here. Ah, perfect. I can still see the building, so I have an idea what to do here. So I think what we will do is, I guess we have go here, and then we say terminal foundation. And then we do this, which is twice our budget. Okay, let's do it. Right. And now, how do we do that? So, I think what we... Yeah, all of this we will remove. We will change this. This will require a few episodes just to fix the airport. But, well, okay. I mean, that's alright. We have time. Let me see. So somehow we, of course, need to get people up there. So they would arrive here. So we need escalators. And where would they have them? Where would they have them? Here, right here. Escalators. Perfect. Allows persons to what? Allows persons to transition from one floor to another in a dignified and quick fashion. I like the wording. Okay. So I guess, yeah, this would be upwards, and it's not valid. This is valid. See, why do we have this? We just have weirdly broken pieces of baggage belts around for some weird reason. It's just all over the place. Alright, so I don't want to put it right here because people also have to get out, so let's put it here. No? Here? Here? And that way it matches up with the info desk. So let's put it here. So now we have one, and I would put the other one here, except that I need to remove this baggage bay that is for some reason spazzing out there. Demolish. It shouldn't even be there, so why is it there? Do I need the workers for that? Is it even on this floor? Maybe it's on the... No. See, we have... and here we have this one. Okay, this makes absolutely no sense. Let's see if we also have... Yes, we even have something underneath here, which is even weirder. Okay, get... this removed it instantly. Oh wait, did I just build something? Yes. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so that removed it instantly. Wait a minute, every time... Okay, now I get why we have these issues. Because every time I go through a floor and I still have selected this tool, it is actually building it. Which is idiotic. And they do definitely need to change that. That makes no sense. But okay, again, it's an alpha, so it is understandable that there are still some of these issues, but they need to fix that for sure. So let's see, can we demolish you? Are you gone? No, you're not gone. Okay, maybe you're on the wrong floor. Oh, Jesus. But now at least I understand why they are just popping up everywhere. It's because I actually built them, even though I didn't meant to. Let's see. Go here again. Pick a belt. And then we say... Really? Why is this not working? Is it on the floor above? Nope. And also not here. Oh, look at that. Haha. We now have a roof. We didn't used to. Now we have a roof. The game is... Oh no. Oh, for God's sake. Did we just build more of this crap? Ay, ay, ay. This will become painful, I can already see it. But I just want to build this escalator, that's all I just want to place, just so we can get going. But for that I need to remove this. Please, let me remove it. Please, game. Why? Why? Oh my god. Okay, I guess we'll put an escalator later there, because at the moment apparently it's impossible. Why? Also, I haven't seemed to spend any money. Interesting. I swear in an earlier version, if you built something, it would remove the money immediately. It clearly hasn't done so here. Many new things in this game. Many new things in this game. I don't know. I don't know if we've actually achieved doing anything today, to be honest. I think this is ending up just being purely planning and trying to work out these small bugs. Okay, so I want to get rid of all of this. And I can't. Why can I not? I really hope that it is awesome. Something seems to be happening. But this is hopeless, isn't it? I mean, this is just fully broken. What is this? Baggage pay. This is still the usual stuff. Guys, this is a bit difficult. Okay, now I can apparently remove those. Change this with an active check in process, but it's closed. Ah, damn it. I want to move them upstairs. This will of course also be painful. I guess. Do I really need to close the airport? Can I even do that? Ay ay ay. I might just have fully broken our gameplay here, to be honest. Because if I want to do all these changes, I can't do them with an operational airport, unfortunately. So, airport closed. That was easy. So I can close the airport. Interesting. Maybe I should need to... I need to go to my planner and... here. I need to take auto scheduler off. That way the scheduled flights will slowly but surely just run out. Yeah, we still don't have any custom-made airlines here. They're all still standard from the game, and they should change. Although, to be fair, the modding, I'm not quite sure. The modding, at least for the airlines, I'm not sure if it has anything for the small aircraft. It should have for medium aircraft. So it might just be because we only have small aircraft operating at the moment at the airport, and the modding hasn't foreseen any for that. So let's see. By Monday we have no flights anymore, which means no income whatsoever, and our airport will slowly but surely break financially. But we will fix it. We will fix it. Alright, so we've closed the airport now, and at some point flights will stop, which means at some point we can also remove the last desks, which is good. Should I call back the constructors? I mean, this is the thing. Ah, okay, of course. You see, these things are only being removed by constructors. That's how it has always been. The reason I have been able to remove some of these conveyor belts that have randomly appeared immediately is because they weren't built yet. Of course, they also didn't randomly appear. I actually built them or asked them to be built, but by accident. So we are figuring stuff out. That's good. We are figuring things out, and while we're figuring it out, we are running out of money. No, yeah, well, a bit. But more importantly, we are actually running out of time. We've already been playing for around 30 minutes. And I don't want to make the videos too long. Well, I think what I will do, just before we finish off, I will call in the constructors. Because then we can... at least get that going. So, where are we now? We have a fully broken... a fully broken baggage system. But we can fix that. We have a lot of graphics spazzing out, but I am sure the game developers will fix that as well. I mean, they have been really clear. I mean, they have had multiple warnings, so it is totally fair what is happening. It is an alpha, it's a game in development, and to be honest, just the fact that we have the option of having multi-floored buildings is amazing. So even if it meant that this game, this build is broken and we would have to start over, I wouldn't be too mad. We would simply start something new and awesome and create something bigger and better. But for now, of course, we hope that we can actually manage here. Let's speed this up a bit and see if we can get this part constructed. This would be the new departure hall where we would have check-in, and over here we would then put security and escalators down so people can reach the gates that we still have at ground floor. I wonder how medium stands will be now, because the jet bridge, at least, that would be on, in a real life scenario, would be on first floor level or height. So yeah, many things to learn. Now we can see they're constructing them. They still haven't taken off any money. I'm a bit surprised about that. I'm not quite sure why. Maybe I've just... something I've missed, but yeah. Anyway, guys, it's been a huge pleasure. There's a lot of things to take a look at here, and while they're building away our new first floor, I will off camera take a look at the mods, see if they're maybe deactivated or something, and then the next game, hopefully we will have some real life airlines, some real life companies with the contracts and stuff like that. And then we will see where we can get going with all of this new project that we have here, upgrading our airport. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know what you think about the whole new setup as well, with the game sound and all that. I hope it is working out nicely. And with that, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you soon again. Bye.